Hey guys, so today I want to try a new tonneau cover on my Ford Maverick, and if you've been following my channel, you know I have a soft Kikitu tonneau cover on this. I've tried the regular soft roll-up and the tri-fold, and the roll-up is the one I've been preferring these days, but I'm actually going to try the tri-fold hard today. Not because I want to install it on my truck. I actually had different plans for that. It's kind of crazy, but I'm going to use it for my camper build. But before I use it for my camper build, I thought I'd just install it on the truck so that you guys could see what it might look like. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so it seems all their covers come with this extra weather strip if you want to make it a little bit more watertight, and a little LED light if you want to install that in your truck bed. Whether you get the soft tops or the hard tops, it looks like they all come with this. Okay, deck rails. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so it looks like it has this clamp style, which is similar to what they have on the soft top. You stick it in and you clamp it up, and it works well on the soft top. And some strap connector things. It says spare parts. That's cool. It's got some spare parts. Alright, so it's definitely heavier than the soft tops for sure. So let's take off my old soft top and install this and give it a shot. Alright, let's look at the directions here. So first, if you want to put on the weather strip, you may not need it. I'm not going to, because I'm actually not even going to use it on my truck like I said. So let's just, looks like you just place it on and then you lock it in. Let's do it. Alright, so if you just place it out, that's the way it looks. So now, if you look here, you can see the locking mechanism. So you put this up, slide it down, and you clamp it in using this guy and that guy. Okay, so that will latch underneath your car. So let's install that. Alright, so I'll try to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera, but let's see. Push it up, and yeah, you can do it with one hand. It is pretty easy. Tighten that in. Let's do the other side. Okay. Alright, so I got that bottom clamp in. If you could look right up here, if you want to clamp this thing in, if you're driving with it open, let's see what you do. You go like this, and you strap it in tight. Both sides, of course. But for right now, we are not going to do that. Put it back. So for this next clamp, looks like we're going to do the same thing, but it has this quick release type clamp. Get that in. Okay, so you screw it in and then you latch it on tight underneath. So let's do that to both sides. Tight. All right, that looks good. Let's do the same thing over here. All right, that looks good. So this last part, same thing. Let's do that. You can look at the seals here. All right. Okay, so you should be able to see the amount of flex that was on the inside. You know, I'm 170 pounds. Yeah. And it holds me, so I guess that's pretty good. But anyways, like I said, I'm actually not going to use this for this application. I got a crazy idea to use it for my camper build, but you'll have to stay tuned to check that out. But for now, this soft top is pretty cool, but I'm going to take it off.